So welcome to Deep Research for Profiler. This is a really fantastic way to use AI to analyze and identify different connections between that wallet and specific entities. And it's really effective for wallet ownership analysis and behavioral patterns. Now, Deep Research allows you to dig deep, hence the name, on everything you want to know about a given wallet. Whether it's seeing a given address is just a trading bot, or whether that wallet address truly belongs to a specific celebrity or influencer. So you can access this by going on the left. You'll right under profile, you'll see Deep Research, and you'll come to this page. You can input a given wallet address right here if you have one in mind. Or as you're scrolling through Nansen, let's just take here. So here are some public figures. And I'll just go into Popcorn Kitty. And into overview, as you are in Nansen profile, you'll notice there's a Deep Research button here. If I were to click that, it's going to start doing its research. Now, it says here that Deep Research usually takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. I find that it takes far less than that. Realistically, 1 to 3 minutes. So you just grab a cup of coffee, come back, and the Deep Research is already done. And now if you click details here, you can actually get a view of what it's actually doing, what it's actually digging into, and all of the data points that it's collecting. So very detailed, as you can see. Now, once again, as I said earlier, you can technically copy an address and then go into Deep Research and paste that address. Now, on the bottom right, one of the Deep Research was done. So let's go into Kurt Young. I think this is the one that was finished. And this is what it would look like. It gives you an overall TLDR about that wallet address. So in this case, was that address, is it actually controlled by Kurt Young? And then you can also get a better understanding of its ownership analysis, as well as some behavior patterns of that wallet. Now, depending on the wallet address, some of these details might be more fleshed out. So for example, here on Sigil Fund, whoops, let me just go back. On Sigil Fund, you'll notice the behavioral patterns are much more thorough, right? So it really depends on whether or not that wallet address is super active or not. So as you can see, Deep Research is here to save you hours of research and narrow that down to only a few minutes. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out some of our other videos as part of our one-on-one series so you can make sense of Nansen to surface the signal and create winners.